Hey everyone, before we jump into another episode of Make My Space Work, I just wanted to let you guys know that this was filmed way before social distancing was in effect. But while I have you, I wanted to let you know that Make My Space Work is brought to you by Shopify, the complete commerce platform to start, grow, and manage a business. Shopify makes it super easy for you to start a business from scratch, and they have tons of resources to help get you started, like branding, registering a website, and making it look really professional right off the bat. I've included a link to Shopify's free trial down in the description box below. So visit that link, start your free trial, create that business I know you've been wanting to create for a long time. Hey guys, I'm Alexandra. Welcome to my series, Make My Space Work, where I am helping entrepreneurs make over their workspaces on a budget. These are people who have small businesses, they're way too busy building them from the ground up, and the last thing on their mind is making over their workspaces. Today I'm helping Declan from the Barking Sausage, which is named after his adorable dog, Dolly. I'm transforming his dreary, dark office space into a workspace that he actually wants to use. Make sure you're subscribed for more makeovers just like this one. We have tons more coming your way. You don't want to miss them.
My name is Declan. I'm the owner of the Barking Sausage store, and this is Dolly. She's a super fun little dog. She was barking at a squirrel up the tree. When I was thinking of trying to find the name for the store, the name of the store came from that little encounter. I started the Barking Sausage because I wanted the freedom, basically. I was in corporate, the hours were just crazy, so I wanted to do something where I could work myself and then put in maximum effort and get maximum returns, basically. And then I'm also a bass player, so I still record and write stuff in my office. Yeah, right now my office space is not the most inspiring place to work, let's put it that way. I need somewhere that I can kind of sit in and want to work in it for like hours on end, and that room just isn't that for me. I would like to see color, stuff on the walls, an inspirational or part of my life, basically, like Dolly, Irish stuff, music stuff, all of that would be helpful. So please help me make my space work.
I feel so inspired by people like Declan because he's really transformed his life into something that he wants it to be. The best part about this makeover is that Declan said to me, he's like, I want a space that feels fun. I often feel like people overlook the decor part when it comes to their workspace. It's about creating a space that you feel inspired and motivated to work in, because working for yourself can be really hard. I feel like this might be my most colorful, vibrant makeover yet, so I'm really excited to get started. Hey guys, so we're at Declan's. It is prep day. We have a lot to tackle today. Chico's here with me, and we are gonna start just by taking everything out of the room so we can really start from scratch. Today we're gonna be hanging wallpaper, possibly painting, and getting this space prepped for adding in lots of decor tomorrow. I love an empty room. Just there's so many possibilities that lie ahead. So I found the most fun wallpaper I could. Declan said he wants fun, he wants to be inspired, and this is the wall he's gonna look at every single day when he's at his computer. Wallpaper is a really great way to get that style in your space on a budget. So we are redoing Declan's entire space, but you could just put up wallpaper and you'll be amazed at how different your room feels. Done! How fun is this? Bold pattern, quirky, funky. Declan had these guitar mounts up on this wall, and one of his requests was to remove them. He's like, they're really bulky. I'm just sick of looking at my guitars on this wall. So I'm gonna get him much smaller mounts and possibly place them on another wall in this room once I see everything all together. And now it is the moment of truth, because originally in my design plan, we showed up today and was like, yeah, we're painting the walls white. But here's my thinking. I'm gonna bring in the rug, show you guys what rug I got, and then make my final decision when I see the rug and the wallpaper in the same space. Okay guys, this is the rug. I really wanna create a kind of like vintage recording studio vibe. I've not been in many recording studios in my life, but I feel like recording studios have this rug in it. Ooh yeah. I definitely feel like I need to keep the blue walls. The walls look warmer now because it picks up the blue in this rug. You have this really cool pattern on the wall. I just feel like painting it white is gonna make the space feel really cold and really sterile and not warm. We're gonna leave the walls the blue color that they are. Okay guys, that is a wrap on day one. It's looking really, really good. See you guys tomorrow, bright and early. So it's day 2, reveal day, always my favorite day. We did the wallpaper, I decided not to paint the walls, and now it is time to bring in that beautiful rug for real. Mixing and matching patterns can get really busy, so if you pull out one color or 2 colors, it helps it feel a little bit more cohesive. Declan built the original desk that was in here using this awesome cabinet, so he has tons of storage, just like a regular work surface, and then 2 legs to connect on this side. I love that concept, it's like a custom desk, and so I'm actually gonna build my own custom desk and show you guys at home how easy this is to do yourself. If you want more storage, you can get a cabinet like the one Declan already had and use this to replace the 2 other legs that would normally be on the other side of your table. The first thing you'll need are dining legs. You can get these at the hardware store. They're really inexpensive. And if you want to customize the color of them, you should get them in untreated wood like I've done. The second thing you'll need are metal plates to attach to your surface, and this is going to allow the legs to screw in to the top of your desk. So this plate is angled, which is going to give this table a bit of a mid-century modern feel. And then the third thing you'll need is a surface, a worktop. So I went for this beautiful walnut worktop. I got this from a furniture store. It's really good quality. And just like that, we have a custom built desk. It took like 5 minutes to put together. For the legs, I've decided instead of staining them, I'm actually going to paint them. And I want to bring in the color orange, which is daring, I know. But instead of just slapping on some orange paint, I think that would be way too bright. I'm adding a bit of water to the acrylic paint to make it look more like a watercolor. So for a project like this, you wanna add 10 parts water and 1 part paint to start. So I added a bit more orange paint to this because as you guys can see, it was coming out a bit yellow. And the cool thing about this project is that you can add more water or more paint to get the consistency and style and color that you want. So over on this wall, I'm gonna be adding some floating shelves. Declan really wanted a place to put all of his knickknacks. He loves a good knickknack, as do I. Floating shelves are such a great way to display all the things that you love and in turn bring personality and like life to a room. So we have the patterned wallpaper over here, but I still wanted some artwork along this wall. And I was really inspired by sound panels you find in recording studios. And this is a really easy DIY that anyone can do. It's like an alternative piece of art. So what you need is a large piece of canvas, some fabric like this, and a staple gun. So I've chosen this bright orange fabric. This definitely is the accent color of this room. The choice of fabric really depends on the style and the feel of the room that you're going for. So if your room's more boho, maybe you'd go for something linen. If your room is very cold, you might wanna go for something textured like velvet. The possibilities are endless. So the first thing you wanna do is lay your fabric down on the table. You wanna start with one side of the fabric, fold it over and pull it really, really tight, and then staple it. Should I do that again so I don't look so alarmed? And you wanna do this for each side, making sure that you're pulling the fabric really tight. I had Chico come in to hold the canvas so it didn't move around, and so I could pull it as tight as possible while also putting a staple in it to hold it. At the end, you want to make sure all of your corners are nice and neat, staple those in place, and then you have this fun DIY canvas art. So good. Love how it's so textured. It brings some warmth into the space. I loved where these guitars were before, but Declan said he was sick of looking at them. And I wanted to spread them out throughout the room to make it feel more cozy and to break up the blue a little bit. So I got him some more minimal looking guitar hooks and are hanging these up throughout his room. My goal is to really fill it with the things Declan loves. And now I'm bringing in that really cool orange desk lamp. I'm setting up Declan's computer for him, his keyboard, his mouse, his other keyboard, and this beautiful leather chair that is very comfortable. And the last thing I'm putting down is this plush velvet bed fit for Queen Dolly. We're almost done this makeover and it is time for the best piece of decor by far in this whole room. It is a custom handmade pet portrait of Declan's dog, Dolly. Oh my goodness. I knew I had to bring Dolly into the decor somehow, so I'm hanging this incredible portrait of her. She's dressed like a queen because she's Queen Dolly. The space feels cozy, it feels mismatched in the best way, and I really feel like this is the finishing touch to bringing all the things that Declan loves into this room. Okay, it's time to bring Declan in. And Dolly.
Yep.
So walk forward.
Okay.
And don't open your eyes until I tell you. I want you to picture what your office looks like before.
Okay.
You said it was a bit dreary.
Absolutely.
Not inspiring. You wanted something fun.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I definitely am.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Holy hell! This is amazing. Oh, I love it.
Do you like
Oh, look at this.
Isn't that
That's
the best?
phenomenal. Oh, this is so good. Everything hanging up as well. Oh my God, this is awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is so much more fun. What do you think, Dawn? Do you want to smell around? Do you want to sniff? Can I put it on for a sniff?
Yeah.
Oh. There we
Do a
go.
little bit.
Oh, you want to go in? Does seem a lot more space. I never thought of putting it right to the wall. So where did this come from?
It's from an artist who handmade it.
Yeah.
She does like pet portraits. Princess Dolly.
That is phenomenal.
Isn't it so good?
Oh my God. Thanks so much. Can you give me a hug?
Welcome. Yeah, of course
Hey.
you can.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. You like it, Dolly?
Like all the new smells?
Good girl.
Good girl.
Look at the portrait of you.
I know. Look, you see yourself over there?
I definitely feel like Declan loved this makeover. I'm pretty sure Dolly did too. She was giving me some weird side eye, but hopefully she likes it. And if your workspace needs a refresh, contact us using the details below in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.